In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Supabase MCP to Claude. This process is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is crystal clear. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Claude website. You can do this by entering the URL into your browser, which will take you directly to the Claude platform. Once there, you'll find yourself on a page that's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, but let me help you navigate through it. Now, while on the Claude site, look for the plus icon. You should see it in the typing section, which is where you typically enter commands or text. Clicking on this plus icon is your gateway to adding new functionalities and integrations, so go ahead and give it a click. Next, you'll want to add connectors. This is a crucial step because connectors are what allow Claude to communicate with other platforms, like Supabase. To do this, simply locate and click on the option that says Add Connectors. This will open up a menu where you can see all the available integrations. Once you're in the Connectors menu, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. This is your tool for quickly finding the integration you need among a potentially long list of options. Type Supabase into the search bar and hit Enter. This action will filter the available connectors and show you the one you need. After you see Supabase in the search results, click on it. This selection is essential because it prepares the Claude platform to establish a link with Supabase. You should see a button labeled Connect or something similar. Clicking this button initiates the connection process between Claude and Supabase. It's important to note that following these steps precisely ensures a smooth connection. If at any point you encounter issues, double-check that you followed the instructions correctly and that your internet connection is stable. Sometimes slight missteps can derail the process, so attention to detail is key. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Supabase MCP to Claude. This setup allows you to leverage the capabilities of both platforms seamlessly, enabling a more integrated workflow. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or consult additional resources on the Claude platform. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and empowers you to make the most of your tools. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips. Until next time, happy connecting.